He looked at me and I was looking like I was full of serious. He said, I would request that you allow me to give you see the difference. He was like, don't you admire to have money? Do you know how the serpent tempted Eve? And I told him I really need to be good. To be well. Then he sat down and started mentioning the names of pastors one by one. There were about 10 meters. He pointed. You see the other. I am the one who is working upon that. I work upon that one also. For sure, these people. I told him no. Let me take heart. The Lord shall give me. What does that mean? We who are here, He prepared for us. But if the devil comes and steals your faith, now Satan uses what God would bring after 2 years, Satan brings it in a month. But in 5 months, what does that mean? It means the person he puts your faith. He will not be lured until he has reached where the Lord put his own star. This is the person with faith. One day, I suffered from a breast disease. It got even a wound. Then the doctor told me, you go for a dose. I can't manage this. I said I will not go for a ghost. I used my own science. I just cleaned I could clean that. Indeed. The other flesh was really flesh. The wound was leaking with but indeed, because of faith, the wound closed. This is where the devil steals. This is how the devil that one of the just imagine the devil has brought the witch. Now you move out of the way and you use the other stuff because you know that life is running. You have moved away from the way of the Lord. Praise the Lord. But most times, this is what we do. We believe in the good times. Faith is hyper and good moments. I am born again. I am strong. But when there is trouble, this is where faith goes away. Now read for us.
Wagambye nti awo ekiro mu kisisimuka ekyokuna n'ajja gye bali ng'atambula ku nnyanja. Abayigirizwa be baamulaba ng'atambula ku nnyanja ne beeraliikira ne bagamba nti dayimooni, ne beekanga ne batya. Amangu ago Yesu n'ayogera nabo n'agamba nti muddeemu omwoyo, nze nzuuno, temutya. Peetero n'amuddamu n'agamba nti Mukama wange, obanga gwe wuuyo, ndagira kijje gy'oli ku mazzi. N'agamba nti jangu. Peetero n'aba mu lyato n'atambulira ku mazzi okugenda eri Yesu.